Hey guys, I just got the Ailun phone camera tripod stand. It's a compact phone holder and compatible with iPhones and Androids. I just got it delivered on the same day delivery, and it's quite nice. It came in this box. So it has two packages actually. I've ordered for two items. So let me just open that up. So pretty much the Ailun is the tripod holder is over here, and it's made in China. Um, I guess that's something you cannot avoid. And this is made for iPhone and even Android also it supports. That's what it's mentioned when I went through the question and answer section. So this is sealed over here. You can see that it's kind of sealed, and on the either of the openings it is quite sealed. So let me open this and resume the video. All right, so these are the three items in there. So one, I have the box, which I just unpacked it, and then the tripod itself, and then there is a small guide, and then you have the phone mount. So this is where you mount your phone and fix your iPod. So let me release it from the cover. All right, so this is the one. Looks like this outside of the cover. So this is the three legs for the tripod, and you have the location for you to mount the phone, phone holder. So I've just released the phone holder from the plastic cover, so which was over here. So this is the phone holder. So you can mount the phone holder on the tripod stick in two different angles. One is from the horizontal angle over here, and there is also a vertical angle. So just right over there, you just need to screw it up by looking at the right area. So either you want a vertical or a horizontal one, so however you like to capture your videos with. And the holder comes with the extendable tip, as you can see over here. So basically I've checked it, it is a long one. You can see that it pretty much goes up, so which means that it supports a lot of other phones than what they promise on the on the cover, saying that it is iPhone only holder, nothing like that. So you can put in your Samsung phone. Also in here I have a Samsung phone which is bigger than the one which I'm capturing, which is a LG phone. So I'll just show you the demo of that as well and confirm that it works on Samsung as well. All right, I just mounted it on the Samsung phone with the back case on it, which make it even bulkier. As you can see that it is going pretty much fine. As you can see, it is extending. This is maybe 6.6 inch screen. I don't know, with the case it's gonna be a little higher than that, around 6.8 I guess. So yeah, sure, it should cover most of the Android phones. If it covers this one's a Note series of a Samsung phone, so if it covers this one, then it should cover most of it. All right, let me just show you after mounting it on the tripod. All right, so now I've just mounted it on the horizontal position. So I'm just gonna show you a little bit about this. So it's quite nice, as you can see. I can use it for making videos, and then I can use it for other reasons as well, like if you want to take a video of something I'm reviewing, so it's going to be much easier for me to do that. So I guess this is a nice option for me. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was a little help for you. Thank you. Bye bye.